Aiboikinio Ipolisin no ailele bato ma St. Philip's Cathedral ara Ipolisin keselele bitosa larongin atupuruchkana esabiti. Eraban lo Ipolisin kokioga Eastos ka agecha nesetacha untibori ajata Ipolisin idaritosa larao na o St. Philip's Cathedral ya Ngora district,
where they decided that in the interest of security and public order that these prayers be held off, because as you are all aware, today was supposed to be a consecration, which consecration was directly in conflict with the mother church, that is the Church of Uganda. So as you can see, today we decided to deploy to make sure that peace prevails. That's why today there are no prayers today.
Kotobo balua loewa unit TV East Loda idoko kinti Silvanos Ishagi local araya minister lo apugan keo bote akan elepiti polisi na ijaiki ni kisa yuara kotoma Ipolisin nwepoda tari kesi ya enomuno maseuno keki mata Charles okunya kwa pe bishop lo yarete lo 10 konya seuno ke okunya ne saponi kisara ukari lukumi yarekereto mna kanyangone pe seunerinis kanwebe ngesapwa kunikaruke ibore abuijaiki etogoloka bishops kisara seunoke ebe ara etungana lo aja modo kanisa abu bishop lo idara ero 10 diocese Charles Dukami imwa aina peta noda etemo kinto seluka ishagi kai grupu ke kobalebe mame ya itenelo ageresa ajeni nikamuto za aisiboikinio kemat Charles Ode Okunya. Bishop Dukami ngeserai bishop lo yenguna loda abu archbishop lo Uganda ko seu agoikiri ngesiko 10 na ara ikope kwana anya na tena 10 nesejai akani nuka archbishop Stephen Kasimba Mugalu aitodol nese unere bishop lo Ibechokino Christiano lo epo ke support wa Pontos to Ipolisin no da beta itoloto ko St. Philip's Cathedral kanaye mukaga ebong Ipolisin kesapotu itejena sebe apotu kesoro chunto situnga kaisa kanyidio pe kanweba itulta na peta no era mitunga jaikinto aisiboikinio keki matokunya ko bishop lo 10.
The honors that I can give you and that I can affirm and confirm is that I made yesterday in Kumi and Ngora districts. There were for around 51 people in total in the 2 districts, and we had around 7 motorcycles and 2 vehicles. There was a Toyota Noah which was detained here in Kumi in Ngora, and I think we had a truck which was carrying people and music system announcing for the consecration in Kumi district, which was also detained. That is all we were arrested. As of this morning, we have not arrested anyone, to my knowledge, but if in case does change, I will duly inform.
Reverend Okunya nesi agiri nuaija unesimu ke kanwali mor agwe itaitike kanui kamunto se prujailo kwa Nairobi committee diocese lo 10. Godfrey Ojore, TV East, Ngora district.